Hi friends, today I am going to show you the recipe for Mangalorean style chicken curry which goes really well with rice, chapathi, idly or dosa. Here I am using 1 kg of chicken. First let's prepare the masala for this. For the masala I am using 15 red chilies, 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 onion, 20 garlic cloves, 1 piece cinnamon, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 4 to 5 black pepper, 1 and half cup of grated coconut. In a pan, let's heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add a small amount of mustard seeds, that is lesser than quarter teaspoon. Once the mustard seed starts sputtering, I am adding onion and garlic. Fry until color changes a bit. Then I am adding red chili, black pepper, star anise, cinnamon. Roast for some time and then I am adding coriander seeds, cumin seeds and cloves. Once the coriander seeds and cumin seeds are roasted, transfer to a plate and let it cool down. To the same pan, I am adding grated coconut, few curry leaves and roasting for some time. Once the masalas are all cooled down, I am preparing a fine paste by adding as much water as required. Once the masala paste is ready, I have sliced 3 onions and chopped 1 tomato. Now let's heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding the sliced onion, 8 to 10 curry leaves. When the onion is 3/4 fried, I am adding the tomato. When the tomatoes are cooked, that is turned soft, I am adding the cleaned chicken, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as required. Here I am adding 3 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this well and cover and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am adding the masala and water as required. Let this boil until the chicken is cooked. When the chicken is cooked, the flesh can be easily separated from the bones. Keep mixing in between. The chicken is cooked now. The Mangalorean style chicken curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.